Hey guys, so we're walking, taking the dogs for a walk in the campground, and we're walking and we're looking for a bird sanctuary we saw on the map. And so around the corner, wait till you guys see this. There's geese. Is that geese?
Yeah.
Ducks, swan. Oh my goodness, so many. Can't see it yet. Oh, I hope they don't attack us.
I'm gonna laugh at
Or the dogs.
I will laugh at
Look at this. My ankle's wrapped. I'm already hobbling with Woo here. Come on, Woo. So, and she's stuck in her leash. I'm just gonna leave it like that so she don't go after the birds. But this is a really nice campground. If you guys ever are this way and you need a campground, come on over. Richmond Hill, Georgia. And it's the KOA. Look, they're all moving. They see us coming. Can you guys see this? And there's swans out on the lake. Look at all these geese. Woo, hold still. I don't want to get too close. Look at all this. Look at that. Sorry, the Woo. Trip over. Well, I don't think they're going to chase us, so they're running toward the water. Look at this. Woo, what's your reaction? She don't even care. Woo, do you see the birds? Look, Woo. Wow.
Oh, I can't wait to see him in the morning.
So pretty.
All the feathers.
Look at this. All right, look. Woo's just looking at him. And I'm not allowed to video Bonnie, but here's Tonka. Come here, Tonka.
Okay. Tonka, stay.
Look at the birdies.
Come here. Let's see it done.
And it's almost sunset. So pretty, they must be getting ready. Tonka didn't even try to chase them. Good boy, Tonka. This is the coolest thing, guys. Look, the dogs don't even care. She's just like pulling me and I'm standing here like, oh my gosh. So pretty. Woo!
I love the honking.
So cool.